Well, there it is. Internet and cellular connection antennas.
I'm running some wires so I can get ready to install PepWave and a WeBoost.
Want to see how I hook these up? Stay tuned and watch.
I'm going to mount this here using this tape. First I'm going to run this cable through it. Built this. I'll show you how. I could only get a 4x4 plate, and these are 2-inch long 1x1s. I'm going to have to stagger them like this because if I try to put them next to each other, it's going to kind of be a little bit too long. This will give them more support and leave a spot in the middle for the antenna to be mounted on. First I got to clean it. I'm going to let them dry off. This is extremely strong, weight activated. I'm going to cut these just long enough. I'm going to use the rest of this to fix our mirror that keeps falling off. Now, to activate it, got to stand on it for about 60 seconds. Drilling a pilot hole to start this 1/2-inch wide hole I've got to make. I need some new drill bits. Washer on that end, run this through here, and the bolt will go on there too. Careful how I'm running this through. I don't want to strip the shielding off the cable. That thread locker will go on there, and I click these together. But for right now, I'm going to focus on running these wires over here. 10 wires have got to go through there. I'm going to try and sneak them up over the edge here. This is going to connect to the things that are going to go here. These are going to run all the way down the side here. I've also got to get them through the shroud. Run it under the edge. I got to clean this up first though. I got to put this on the threads without making a mess. Gelatinous goo, blue goo. This in there. Is it on there? I can't get it any tighter. Make sure this spot's clean. Just a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Make sure these are clean. Put some strips on the bottom of it without cutting myself. Having long fingernails helps with this. It's a pain in the butt otherwise. And to activate it, we got to stand on it for 60 seconds. There it is. And yeah, you can see it's added another foot to the height of our vehicle. Wish it was a little shorter and had a spring on it or something. Someday I'll probably end up redoing it. For now, hopefully this will work. Got too much wire here. Drop that over the top of that for now. Now we got to put some lap seal down.
So I got to get that antenna wire all the way down to here, where I'm going to attach the antenna.
So I got this to transform this into this. I'm going to want to insulate this too. I'm going to probably find some shrink wrap or something to use.
That ought to hold it.
So the antenna came with all this, but I want a little more elevation on it, so not sure I need that. Nice warning label. I think I'll be alright. Doesn't fit. Let's try this one instead. And a zip tie. Maybe 2 zip ties. a solid